Hello guys, my name is Tislier and I'm a streamer on Twitch and also I have a YouTube account. So a lot of people been asking me how to stream on Twitch. What software should they use? So I was like, okay, let's just make one video for everyone. I personally recommend you to use OBS. OBS is open broadcasting service. Okay, it is completely free. You can do a lot of stuff in there. So you have another option that is Streamlabs. But I personally don't recommend Streamlabs because it's very heavy on your PC. OBS is very light on your PC. That means it does not take that much amount of resources. But do whatever you want. I'm gonna cover OBS in this video. So if you go to Google and just type OBS and hit enter, the first site you're gonna get is obsproject.com. So just go there, click there, open broadcasting. And depending upon which system you are, you can download accordingly. I'm on Windows, so I'm gonna get the Windows one. Once you have opened the OBS, now we are going into the settings to set some stuff up. Now on the right side, click on the settings and the window is gonna pop up. The first setting you wanna see is general. Don't do anything there. We don't need to do anything there. It's not that useful. Then go to the stream. Now, I would recommend you guys to connect your account like Twitch account or YouTube. I've already connected my Twitch account to it. So, next thing we're gonna do now is output. Okay, this is very important setting right here. So, put output mode to simple and video bitrate. What's the bitrate? The higher the bitrate is, the better your stream quality will look like. So, for me, I'm using net around like 40 Mbps, so 6000 kbps is a way too much good bitrate. If you have a less speed of internet, you can decrease it up to 3000 or 4000. Even after that you are facing issue, then I would recommend you guys to decrease it even more further. Then next thing is audio bitrate. I'm putting it to 160. Encoder. Now this is very important thing. For me personally, my PC doesn't have graphic card, so I'm gonna use software x64. So software is gonna take processing power from my PC, and I would recommend if you have a graphics card, put that on hardware. AMD H264 mostly. Go to video. Now this is also one important setting. So the base canvas resolution. Base canvas resolution means what is the resolution of your main PC. For me it is HD, that is 1920 into 1080. The second setting is output resolution, like in which resolution you want you to stream. For me, I stream in 720p. Yeah, 720p. My PC is not that strong enough. Okay, yeah. Then we have to do like downscale filter. I mostly go for bicubical. Common FPS value, go for 60. Then no other things are like hotkeys are there, like you click a button then stream gonna start, but don't do that. A lot of streamer fails are there out there, like they start one button and their stream starts. Damn. Just too much funny. Accessibility advanced, we don't need to do anything here. Then click on OK. Now we want our OBS to capture the game screen, right? So let me show you. I mostly play Krunker, so I'm gonna open Krunker. Now we want to capture the audio from our game and video from our game, right? So let's do that. Go to the sources, click on the plus button. Now we want our OBS to capture the window of our game. So go to window capture, create new name, whatever you want. I like Krunker. Okay. Now the go to windows, it will show the number of windows open. For me, I'll choose the Krunker window and put it to OK. Now you see, like it's taking a very small amount of portion, the rest of it is a black. We don't want that, so just press Ctrl F. Okay, now it's a full screen. Now it looks nice. Now lock this one up, because I'm saying this because you know, when you move around OBS, you don't want your screen to go this way, that way. So one thing is done that we want to capture it. We have done it. Next thing, we want output from our game. So click on audio output capture. Oh, first click on plus icon, go to audio output capture, click on it, say whatever you sound like, and whatever, name it whatever you want. Like, I'm gonna like noise sound. Okay, now choose the device that your sound is coming from. I'm gonna put it on default. I have the headphones on. It's gonna go to my headphones. Okay, there we go. Now as you can see, audio mixer, in audio mixer it is showing up noise sound. Okay, you can change the level of sound here. I mostly go for like 20-ish sound. You can do that. Now it's capturing our game and capturing our output of that game, sound of that game. Now we want our beautiful voice to go into the stream. So for that we're gonna click on plus icon, then we're gonna go into audio input capture and put it like my sound. You can name it whatever I want. I'm gonna go for my sound. Okay, click on OK. Now the default one for me is this one. I'm using the mic. Then click on OK. Now it's capturing the voice. Like, let's go. It's capturing my sound. Okay, now I mostly recommend you guys to put your sound higher than the game sound, because when you're playing the game sound, if game sound is high, okay, and if you're talking, they're gonna mix together and voice will not be there. So always put your game sound lower than your mic sound. Okay, so I like it like this mostly. Now it's capturing your window of a game, output, the sound of the game, and also your mic volume. Now what we have to do is this. Like when someone follows you, you know they want the appreciation, so you want that alert to pop up, boom, like on your screen. For that I'm gonna use Streamlabs. I know I said Streamlabs is not that good, but Streamlabs website, it's really nice. So for that I would recommend go to Brave. I'm using Brave because no ads. And search for Streamlabs. Okay, the first thing is gonna come up is this. Also I'm gonna put this link in the description. Okay, then you have to click here. All we have to do is go to the dashboard. Click on the dashboard. Left side there is an alert box. Okay, click on that. Now it is just one box which shows your follow, subscription, resub, donation, hosting, beats, raid, merch, cloud bot redemption, blah, 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 everything. Just copy this widget from here. Just copy it. Copy. Now go on to your OBS. Click on, go to the sources. Click on the plus icon. Click on browser. I'm gonna put it alerts. There we go. Now you have to put that link here. Okay, paste it here. There we go. Also do this, control audio via OBS, so we can control the audio of the alerts from our OBS. Okay, so now we can control it from here. Okay, I would recommend putting alerts just a little bit higher than your game sound, so you can hear when someone just follows you or for someone gives you some subscription. Now go to the go to three dots, go to advanced audio properties, put audio monitoring to monitor and output, and close it. Now let's say this is a window that's capturing it. It's going to show on this side. You can set it to here, whenever you want. I want it like this, more like that way. Okay, and how can you test it? Well, I'll tell you about it. So when you go back to your Streamlabs and you click here, test follow. Oh, that sound. Oh, someone following me or someone subscription. Let's go. This is test, by the way. Yeah, I'm crying in my subscription. Yeah, I do that. Another thing, you know, I use only one monitor for that, and I don't want to read chat from my phone. So what you can do is go to docs, chat. Click on chat, and it will appear on left side. Go to docs, Go to quick action, it will appear on right side. So from here you can edit your stream, title, live notification, category, everything. From your left side you can read chat and everything. It's a really nice thing. Mostly what I do is I do this, like I open my crunker, open my game, and like set it the screen like this, so I can read from my left and also I can play game at the same time. So it is a very compact thing. So this is a very basic setup, and this is a very basic setup. If you need any help regarding this, you can join my Discord. It would be greatly appreciated, and you can DM me on the Discord. I'll be available there. And go to my Twitch. I stream on Twitch every day at 8 p.m. Indian time. Bye bye.